Okay guys, here we go. We're gonna do another one. This is in the shorter water. And I'm gonna go ahead and test. Yes, it does indeed. I'm gonna have to watch the film, but I think I do have on the I do have on the thing where it stays like always horizon. So we'll go up ahead and get really close to these. Oh my gosh. Why can't I see? There we go. I don't know why that was so hard. Alright guys, I'm gonna go up here a little bit further and start another film. Come on, silly thing.